Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 7 on statement of cash flows. After watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company of which you are an investor, auditor, lender or employee and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A review of financial statements lets you know the degree of reliance you can place on the information in those financial statements. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can book an online meeting slot for one-on-one consultation on Ind AS. A link for the same is given in the description box. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com. The company has presented cash flows from financing activities as shown in this slide. The company has reported proceeds from long-term borrowings. The company has not reported repayment of long-term borrowings. The auditor has opined in Caro that the company has not defaulted in repayment of loans. This would mean that the company should have disclosed nil amount for current maturity of long-term borrowings in the previous year. This being the first Ind AS financial statements of the company has disclosed current maturity of long-term borrowings in note 17 at the end of the current and previous year and opening of the previous year. The amounts reported on all three dates are different. This indicates that the company has presented the amounts in cash flows from financing activities as proceeds of long-term borrowings net of repayment. Para 21 of Ind AS 7. Para 21 of Ind AS 7 requires cash flows from investing and financing activities to be reported separately on gross basis except cash flows of items for which the turnover is quick and maturities are short. I will repeat again. Para 21 of Ind AS 7 requires cash flows from investing and financing activities to be reported separately on gross basis except cash flows of items for which the turnover is quick and maturities are short. Long-term borrowings do not meet the exception. The company has not presented the repayment of long-term borrowings separately in cash flows from financing activities. The company has reported cash flows from financing activities on net basis. Thus, the company has not complied with Ind AS 7. Due to this, statement of cash flows has been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code for the knowledge obtained. If not, please do it now. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can book an online meeting slot for one-on-one consultation on Ind AS. A link for the same is given in the description box. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com.